Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that often baffles many: engineered costs. In this video, we'll provide you with a complete guide to engineered costs, including what they are, examples and answers to some frequently asked questions. Hey everyone, it's great to have you here. Engineered costs refer to the costs that are purposefully designed or influenced by an organization's management decisions, strategies, or operations. These costs are intentionally managed and can have a significant impact on a company's financial performance. Now, let's take a closer look at some examples of engineered costs. The first example of engineered costs is target costing. This approach involves setting a target price for a product or service and then working backward to determine the allowable costs. By doing so, companies can ensure that their costs are in line with the desired profitability while remaining competitive in the market. Another example is value engineering. This technique aims to reduce costs while maintaining or improving the value of a product or service. It involves analyzing the various components, materials, and processes involved and finding ways to streamline operations, eliminate waste, and optimize efficiency. These are just a couple of examples, but engineered costs can vary across industries and organizations. The key is to understand that they are intentional, strategically driven costs that businesses actively manage. Now, let's move on to some frequently asked questions about engineered costs. Q1. What is the difference between engineered costs and other types of costs? Great question. Engineered costs differ from other types of costs, such as direct costs or indirect costs, as they are deliberately influenced by management decisions and actions. Unlike uncontrollable costs, engineered costs can be proactively managed to achieve specific financial objectives. Q2. Are engineered costs only relevant to manufacturing companies? Not at all. While engineered costs are commonly associated with manufacturing companies, they are applicable to various industries. Any organization that wants to optimize its cost structure and enhance profitability can employ engineered cost strategies. Q3. How can businesses effectively manage engineered costs? Managing engineered costs requires a combination of careful planning, analysis, and decision-making. Here are a few strategies businesses can use. Value analysis. Continuously evaluate the value of each component or process and identify opportunities for cost reduction without sacrificing quality. Process optimization. Streamline operations, eliminate redundancies, and reduce waste to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Supplier negotiations. Engage in strategic negotiations with suppliers to secure favorable pricing and terms. Cross-functional collaboration. Encourage collaboration between departments to identify cost-saving opportunities and implement solutions collectively. And there you have it, a complete guide to engineered costs. We've explored what they are, provided some examples, and answered some frequently asked questions. Remember, engineered costs play a vital role in shaping a company's financial performance, and by actively managing them, businesses can achieve greater profitability and success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, we appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.